Alright guys, this is my zippo, my box, and this is the zippo. The yin yang sign is pretty nice. The new insert is zippo blue. Yep, it's a butane lighter. You can't really see it though. This zippo was $32. Alright, and this is it. First one we'll be doing squeeze. Oops. Okay. There it is. Squeeze. And you just simply lift that in. And then next one is double tap. There it is. And this one is twist the grip. If it would work. Oops. There it goes. And let's see. Oh yeah, my favorite one. Stupid ass letters out of fluid. I expect. I got like a week ago. And oh yeah. That's how it's lighted fluid. And see, this is what you get for getting lighters and forgetting to buy lighter fluid. You have to use what little tiny bit you have left. Looks almost gone too. I need to pull it up soon. So yeah, bear with me till I'm ready. Put that. Okay, I think we're ready now. Let's try this. Alright, let's try something else real quick. We're gonna just make one up right here on the spot. Come on, there it goes, okay? See, there it is, you see it right there, you see the flame? No, that's closer. It's another one I took from my friend. The little one, Flying Birdie. I'm not sure, I'm scared because I got wood all right here, so I'm scared to do this. Okay, did it work? Okay, whatever. Okay. And let's see, what else do I know how to do? I know a lot more, just can't think of one right now. So for now, I'll sign you guys out. Look at the squeeze. Look into the flame.